Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the Titanium Unlimited 140 has firmware compatible with this method, and that the battery is at least 50% to avoid interruptions. Connect the unit via USB-C using the original cable, then enable data mode on the device. Once connected, install the driver package if needed and open the Titanium Control app on your computer. This ensures recognition. Now, with the app ready, select the device profile. Make sure to choose the Unlimited 140 profile. With the Unlimited 140 profile active, select the Easy Method preset to auto-load baseline parameters. You will then adjust power, frequency, and timing in controlled increments. Use 10% or 1 unit steps, because small changes reveal system response without risk. Once set, run a short 30-second test cycle while watching telemetry for heat, current, and stability. If readings look good, repeat with slightly higher loads. If not, revert to the last stable setting and retest to isolate variables. Finalize by saving a named configuration and creating a backup file so you can restore settings if needed. Next, perform a full 5-minute run at your target settings and log the results for performance verification. This confirms stability under load. If something goes wrong, sudden errors, alarms, or unexpected telemetry spikes, reboot the device first. If issues persist, reflash the recommended firmware and retry the test. Make sure connections are secure and repeat the short verification cycle before resuming normal use.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.